Take it all down! Bring it all down! Bury the devil!
Some kind of crazy booger just skits through here.
Nah, booger? How big?
Boys, boys, boys.
What the hell's going on here? Are you the saboteur that's fucking up our house? Trying to put me out of business? Thousands of dollars lost. You got that kind of money? Oh, I get it. The old pressure game, huh?
Boys, you never should have been doing this.
Well, I don't care, you hear? Yeah, that's right. It's a dog-eat-dog world, and from where I sit, there just ain't enough damn dog. You can't stand the heat. Get out of the damn kitchen, huh? I don't care who sent you.
I'm the Lord of the Harvest.
Who's that? Some new health food bunch? Sure took care of my hams.